Inside the Show with Justin Allegri.
Happy Saturday morning to you. Here's the news and results from Friday. Starting off in the National League East, the Phillies paid a visit to the nation's capital to play the Nats, and it was the Nats who came away victorious. Final score was 4-2. The Braves paid visit to the Bluebirds in Toronto, and it was Atlanta who came away victorious. The final was 5-4. The Marlins took on the Mets in Flushing, New York, and it was the Mets who came away victorious. The score was 5.
Counting down now on first pitch in Washington, D.C. It's the Phillies and the Nationals, and it's next. Time for baseball now on the show. You get a look there at Nationals Park here in Washington, D.C. Today, Game 3 of this 4-game weekend set between the Phillies and the Washington Nationals. We'll hear plenty more from the guys moving forward, but before we do, let's take a look at the starting lineup for the visiting Philadelphia Phillies, as their order will read like this. Ben Revere will step to the plate now as we're ready to get this one underway.
Fielder, Ben Revere.
First pitch of the ball game is swung on and missed, and that's how we'll get things started this afternoon. These Nationals, as they take the field here today, well, they've been playing some pretty good baseball, 5-2 over their last 7.
And they were able to come away with the victory last night, so another performance like that would make their manager a happy man.
Now the 1-1 pitch. And a fastball in the dirt that's taken for a ball. And this is something we've seen a lot from him recently. He's worked his way into another good hitter's count.
Yeah, it's not unrelated either. When you're going good at the plate, usually means you're being selective and you're not getting yourself out. And when that happens, you'll find yourself in these kind of counts.
And this pitch is hit foul off to the left and out of play, so the count goes to 2-2 now. Here comes a 2-2. Pitch in the dirt, swung on and missed for strike 3, as they'll need to throw to first here. Throw on to first is in time to get him, so that'll go down as a strikeout and a 2-3 putout for out number 1. Herrera will take his first cuts now. He was responsible for both of his club's runs batted in last night's ball game. Ball hit high and foul down the left field line. It's strike 1. Now here's the pitch. Oh, a hard hit ball that'll be caught over there at first. Had him played perfectly that time, and there are 2 gone now.
Obviously, it'll be very important to keep these top 2 guys off base going forward. They're the ones that set the table and make this team go. So that's a good job here to set them down to start the ball game.
Trying to go the other way. This is looped out toward third. A leap here, but it ticks off his glove. And now, fortunately, they will get an out here. 3 up, 3 down for Philadelphia. Now it'll be Washington's turn in a scoreless ball game. Ian Desmond will step in now to lead things off in the home half of the first. And here's a fastball called for strike 1. EK, as we take a look at our visiting club as they take the field here in this scoreless ball game. They've been fairly punchless of late, losing last time out and, in fact, dropping 6 of their last 7.
And, you know, the little things have been a recurring theme on these telecasts for years now, but when you're in a losing streak like this, no matter how minor it is, it always seems like the little things are going the other team's way. That has certainly been the case these last few games.
Here's a ground ball to first, and he'll take it onto the bag himself. 2 gone now here in the first. Ryan Zimmerman will stand in. He comes off an 0 for 4 in last night's ball game. And, looked inside, but that's ruled as strike, nothing in one.
One thing to keep an eye on as this game goes along, first pitch strikes. The more this guy can work from ahead, the better off he's going to be.
And he takes ball 2, and it's 2-1. Here's the pitch. Now a ball hit hard toward first. And this one gets past Howard down the line. It's a fair ball. The relay, and a good effort to bring it back in quickly, but he's in at second base with a double.
Boy, this is very close to being a foul ball, but a nice job by the first base umpire getting down there and getting the call right. And this is going to get down toward the corner and wind up a hard-hit double.
And this is going to find the crowd down the left field line. It's a ball and a strike. Outside, 2-1.
Well, with every pitch it misses, he just keeps digging himself deeper and deeper hole.
A swing and a miss there, 2-2. And this misses, so that'll fill the count at 3-2. I'm sorry to interrupt, but that's the third strike and the third out. Side is retired. Danger averted following the 2-out double. We're off to the second, scoreless on the show. Ryan Howard leads things off now in the top half of the second. Infield in the overshift here. Now the pitch. And he turns this one around high and deep to center field. And it's gone. He liked the first pitch he saw and deposits it over the wall. A solo shot there for Ryan Howard, and the Phillies grab a 1-0 lead. Dominic Brown will take his cuts now.
Number 9, Dominic Brown.
First offering on the way. Goes the other way, and this is in the air out to left. Taylor is underneath this one, and he's got it for out number 1. Carlos Ruiz will dig in with 1 in and 1 away. Here's the first offering. And here's a called strike to the 36-year-old veteran. It's 0-1.
It's so important with guys like this to get ahead with strike 1. Put them behind in the count and on their back foot right away.
Hit hard but foul. Phillies have an early 1-0 lead here in inning number 2. 2-strike pitch from Strasburg. Oh, and he dusted him off the plate that time. Some mind games being played now. It's 1-2.
And we're going to see a lot more of this because this is a guy who's let it be known that he will work inside. He'll even back you off the plate if he has to.
Here's a fastball in on the fist, and that'll even things up at 2-2. Now here it comes. Swinging a ground ball to first. And he'll take this to the bag himself, and there are 2 away now. Chris Nelson will stand in here, looking to keep the inning alive with 2 gone now in the top of the second. And here's a called strike at the knees. Don't think he liked that one too much, but it's 0-1.
Whether you like it or not, now that you've seen what the strike zone's going to be like, you're going to have to make an adjustment.
0-1 pitch, and he can't make contact on the bender. 0-2. Now the pitch. Checked his swing there. Did he go around? No, says the first base umpire. Ball 1. The 1-2. And he reaches for one, but can't find it as he's down on strikes for the final out. Phillies get one on the home run by the big fella, Ryan Howard. On to the bottom of inning number 2. It's now 1-0 Philadelphia. And a check swing here, but he clearly went around on a pitch that would have been a strike anyway. It's 0-1. And here's a curveball in the dirt that time for a ball. 1-1. The pitch. In there, 1-2 now.
Well, you can tell he's trying to work that pitch away, but he might have left that one a little more over the plate than he intended.
Fouled back. Again, a 1-2. Swing and a miss there as the breaking ball takes care of him for the first out.
Well, you could see his mindset at the plate. He's thinking, I got to get out in front here, try to pull something. Didn't really get a good pitch to do that, though. He's going to have to go grab a seat.
Stepping in now, Yunel Escobar, as he'll take a look at a high strike that time. It's 0-1. And a bouncing ball, foul. The 0-2 home from Billingsley. Now a ball hit pretty well to the left, but this is going to wind up in the seats, foul. Billingsley ready, another 0-2. Strike 3 call, and that is back-to-back punch-outs here in the inning. 3 in a row total, and there are 2 away. Michael Taylor is in with 2 away as he takes a ball, 1-0.
Yeah, those are the ones you like to start in that bat, especially your first time up.
I agree. Give me a nice, easy one in the dirt that I can take so I can really get ahead in that count early.
And he drops it. And he'll make it in there with a 2-out double. Jose Lobaton will come forward now in an RBI opportunity he probably didn't think he'd have.
Yeah, it certainly didn't look like he'd have one, but...
And this one's in the dirt, but fortunately here, no advance. Here's the 1-1. That nibbled the corner there, but missed 2-1.
Well, remember, this inning, it should...
And we'll have to leave it there as the play is made here to end the inning. Nationals leave 1. They're on the short end of a 1-0 score. Andres Blanco will stand in. He's got that average pushing up near 300 to start the new season. And here's a first pitch curveball that bounces on him there. It's ball 1. The next pitch. Now a pitch swung on and hit to the left side, but this is going to find the seats, a foul ball. Strasburg on 1-1. And the 1-1 is on the ground down to third. Oh, and he has some trouble with it. And now, fortunately, they will get an out here.
Well, I think the key to this play is that he never panicked after he bobbled the ball. So he knows right where it is, he regathers himself, and still makes a good, strong throw to get his man.
Into the box, Chad Billingsley. As the first pitch to him is off the plate for a ball, 1-0. Here's the 1-0. Sneaks a fastball by him at the letters. It's 1-1.
Yeah, kind of a late decision to swing there. Even if he hits that thing, that might just be a routine fly to right.
Now a ball swung on and heading for the stands in right, and that'll move the count to 1-2 now. Here comes a 1-2. Now a swing and another chance at third. Throw in the dirt to first, and he can't come up with it cleanly. Ben Revere will dig in for a second time, a strikeout victim opening up the ball game. Now the first pitch, and that's swung on and fouled straight back. Just one hit apiece for both of these clubs. He's set, now the pitch. He goes the other way as this is hit well out toward deep left field. Taylor is going to get there as he backs up to put it away, and there are 2 gone now.
You know, that's the thing with throwing a fastball as hard as he does. It makes fly balls travel that much farther off the bat. And this thing gets out there a long ways before it finally gets tracked down.
Herrera will stand in, a line-out victim his first time. First pitch coming. A bit high there. A ball and no strikes. The 1-0 pitch. 2-0. Two-0 count. The pitch. Now he goes the other way, and he got a lot of it high and deep to left center field. And this hops over the wall out there for a ground rule double. And maybe a tough break, as that'll please the runner at third with 2 gone.
Unfortunate there with 2 away. I think that runner's going to score from first base. But once the ball hops over the wall, it's kind of a moot point, and they're going to have to send him back to third base anyway.
In is the second baseman, Chase Utley. As this is popped foul behind the plate, it's strike 1. He's set, now the pitch. And the pitch bounces off his glove, and that could be a run. Throw to the plate, and he is in there at the plate. It's now a 2-0 game.
And this is always a possible trade-off when you throw an off-speed pitch down low like that. You're obviously going for the strikeout with the runner on third, but once this ball skips away, he's going to come in and score anyway.
And this is going to be fouled into the diamond level seats. Here's the 1-2. And Utley out in front of it as this one's on the ground to his opposite number at second. Throw to first will get him easily, and the side is retired. Phillies will have to be content with just the 1. We'll move on to the bottom of inning number 3. Phillies lead this one 2-0. Now the first pitch. Steven Strasburg is in to start things off as he looks at a ball to start the inning. 1-0. Fastball in there for a strike. 92 on the radar gun that time.
But this is the thing that's so impressive about this guy. He'll show you that good breaking ball, but then he'll run that fastball up the ladder at 92, 93.
Let's go Nationals! Let's go DC!
Now the 1-2. Fastball called, strike 3, and there's the first out of the inning. Ian Desmond will stand in now, the recipient of a National League Silver Slugger Award for his contributions at shortstop last year. Drops in a strike to start the at-bat, 0-1. Called strike 0-2, and you figure to see that change up more and more as this day progresses.
And the first time through the lineup, you want these guys to know that you've got this pitch in your arsenal. Sometimes pitchers want to hold on to pitches and not show everything right away, but here, you want these guys to be thinking, I know he's got that changeup, so I'd better not sit on the fastball too often.
Matt Den Decker will stand in for the second time now as he looks at a called strike. It's 0-1. Curveball close, but it's 1-1. Called strike, and he's behind 1-2.
Very patient here to start the at-bat. Maybe even a little too patient because now he's down 1-2.
Yeah, and I don't think he's going to get anything better than that to hit.
Swing and an easy one for the first baseman. And he'll step on the bag himself, and the inning is over. So a fairly routine inning that time for Chad Billingsley. His guys lead it 2-0. Ryan Howard will stand in now to get us going here in the fourth.
First baseman, number 6, Ryan Howard.
Infield shifted well to the right. Here's the first pitch. Now the shift won't matter here as this is skied out to center field. Den Decker is there, and they'll be able to exhale a bit in that dugout as Howard's gone on just one pitch.
Well, any time you can retire this guy, that's good. Anytime you can do it leading off an inning, that's great. And anytime you can do it on one pitch, that's a full trifecta right there.
Now here's the first pitch. Dominic Brown comes on with one gone here as he looks at a called strike one.
Well, as we've seen so far, this isn't a team that's going to wait around too long to feel a pitcher out. They're an aggressive team all the way from top to bottom. And if that first pitch is anywhere close, most of these guys are going to take a hack at it.
Strasburg on 1-1. Now the 1-1 is hit sharply back up the middle, and it's going to get on into center. It's a base hit.
Yeah, he hit a good pitch there. This thing's toward the outside part of the plate, but he stays with it all the way. Uses the big part of the field and gets himself a base hit.
Here's the catcher, Carlos Ruiz, as the first pitch to him is taken low and away for ball one. Here's a 1-0. Swing and a liner, but that's a foul ball. Ready now on 1-1. Swing and a ball hit foul as this will find the seats in right. One, two. And here's a ball lifted back toward the stands in right, so we'll try it again at 1-2. Here's another 1-2. And this is swung on and missed by Ruiz as he set down on strikes, 2 away. Chris Nelson will try it again, set down on strikes his first time.
Nelson.
Now here's the first pitch. Swinging a ball hit on the ground, but a foul ball here, 0-1. From the belt, the pitch. Swinging a ball hit softly on the ground, but this will be a foul ball as he's behind 0-2 now. Two-strike pitch from Strasburg. In the dirt here, but fortunately here, no advance. The right-hander deals on 1-2. A ball hit hard to the left side. And, oh, he can't knock this one down as it zips right by him into left.
Yeah, a hot shot that time and a tough read down there at third base. He just couldn't get the leather on it.
Andres Blanco will get a shot here with 2 on and 2 out here in the fourth. Here's the first offering. Hard hit towards center. And the 2-out threat will not come to pass as the inning is over. Phillies leave a couple, but they're on top 2-0. First pitch coming.
First baseman.
Ryan Zimmerman is in for his second plate appearance as he looks at a ball. It's 1-0. First 2 pitches off the mark here. It's 2-0.
2 times here they've gone away. Both pretty easy takes. And as a hitter, now I'm thinking it might be time they try to bust something inside.
Herrera has to roam straight back, but he has it for the first out. Bryce Harper will stride in again. He struck out swinging his first time. Outside target here, and he hits it for strike 1. Now here's a little tapper down that third base line, and this could be a tough play. But this will wind up a foul ball, strike 2. And this is fouled back and out of play. Here comes another 0-2. Tried to work it back to that low inside corner, but it misses. 1-2. Looked like the cut fastball there, and he got him to swing through it for the second out. Tyler Moore will try it again. Set down on strikes his first time. And there's the fastball Billingsley has that we've heard so much about. Good for strike one.
And you know what, guys? I have been really impressed so far. Not only has he used his fastball well, but he's also spotted it well. I mean, that is perfect location right on the knees.
Right back to the outside part of the plate, but that misses as well. It's 2-1. Hit well down the left field line, but back into the crowd, foul. Swing and a ball hit hard on the ground towards second. There to get it is Utley. And a bit of a high throw that time, but no problem over there at first as they record the out. Nothing across here this half of the inning. We've played 4 full. It's the Phillies 2 and the Nationals nothing.
Leading off for the Phillies,
Chad Billingsley will make his way towards the box to lead off the 5th. Here's the first pitch to him. Fastball in there for a called strike. There's his total now, just into his 5th inning of work. Nothing too out of the ordinary there.
The pitch count's the least of his worries. If his guys don't get him any runs, I don't think it'll matter all that much.
Here it comes. Swing and a miss on the fastball, and that's the first out. Ben Revere will stand in now. He's struck out and flied out, 0 for 2 thus far. And it looked like he went out of the zone that time as this is skied toward the right side of the infield. And this is handled easily, so quickly 2 are gone here to start the 5th. Herrera will stand in. He's 1 for 2 so far. First pitch to him. Now a ball hit pretty well to the left, but this is going to wind up in the seats foul. 2 runs, 4 hits, and 1 error in the ballgame for the Phillies so far. Might have thought about it here, but he lays off the breaking ball inside. It's even at 1. The 1-1. Now here's a bouncing ball sent back up the middle, and it's going to find its way into center, his second hit of the afternoon.
Well, he'd had some high-stress innings here so far. It was looking like he turned a corner and was on his way to a much-needed 1-2-3, but he's going to have to get in the stretch here after all.
And some action out in that Washington bullpen now as we see both a left-hander and a right-hander throwing. And here's the first pitch. Now a fastball runs inside and drills him. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Ryan Howard will see what he can do here with 2 on and 2 out here in inning number 5. First pitch on the way. There's a strike at the knees, 0-1.
Yeah, even with 2 on and 2 away, this is not a guy that's going to back down out there. He comes right after him with a fastball, and he gets ahead.
From the belt, kicks and deals. Off the plate, 1 ball, 1 strike. The 1-1 home. Now here's a fastball up that he sends in the air out to fairly deep center field. Den Decker is going to have room out there as he puts this away to retire the side. Phillies leave a couple as they're unable to add to their 2-0 lead. Yunel Escobar will stand in to start things out here in the home half of the 5th. And you get the sense, Steve, that this crowd's been pretty well taken out of the ballgame to this point.
Yeah, they pretty much had to sit on their hands all afternoon. Not a lot to get excited about so far. And I think that's a credit to that man out there on the mound. He's cut right through this lineup for the first 4 innings.
And this one's taken by Escobar. It's a ball and 2 strikes.
Well, I think that fastball is just for show there. He's not trying to throw this for a strike.
And this will find the seats behind the first base dugout. Struck him out, so he's set down on strikes for the second time today. There's our line score through the first 4.5, and these guys have basically had the bats taken right out of their hands. Just one hit to this point. Michael Taylor will dig in. He reached on an error his first time. First pitch coming. This is hit down the right field line, but it's going to get out of play for strike one. Chopper foul. Bases are empty, one man out. The 0-2 home from Billingsley. And he struck him out. Strikeout number 8 now in the ballgame for him. Jose Lobaton will stand in now with 2 away, trying to avoid another 1-2-3 inning.
Now, this has been total domination these past few innings. They haven't been able to mount any kind of threat whatsoever.
Now a changeup in on the hands that evens it at 1-1. And the pitch. That's it to short. Does he have another 1-2-3 inning? He sure does. It's a baker's dozen. 13 in a row he's set down now, and the side is retired. Dominic Brown will get things started here in the top of inning number 6. Here's the first offering. And he'll start the inning with a pitch that misses off the plate. It's ball one.
Strike him out.
1-0 on the way. Over towards the dugout, but this one will get into the stands. Yeah, we see a lefty and a right-hander start to loosen up in the bullpen. And this ball runs away for ball two. 2-1. Everything away here, and with pretty good reason.
Yeah, they'll say, left field, it's all yours. You want to beat us that way? Go ahead and do it.
And he fires a fastball now for a called strike two. Here now the 2-2. And this is going to be a foul ball. Here he comes on 2-2. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. Throw to first gets him, so the leadoff man's retired here to begin the sixth.
Well, he is definitely doing his part out there. See his line so far. He's keeping his guys in the ball game. He's just not getting any help offensively.
Carlos Ruiz will try it again. He's grounded out and struck out in 2 trips. Oh, and he just blows the fastball by him for strike one.
Boy, he is just wearing guys out with that two-seam fastball. I don't care if it's inside, outside, he's really hitting his spots well.
Pitch on the way. Oh, and he can't hold on there as he swings and misses on a pitch in the dirt, and he's down 0-2 now.
Yeah, and it's tough enough to hit 95-plus mile-an-hour fastballs. That curve gives you something else to think about altogether.
In front of the changeup there as this is chopped foul at home plate. The 0-2 once more. And a good pitch, but no offer from Ruiz. It's a ball and 2 strikes. 2 runs, 5 hits, and 1 error in the ballgame for the Phillies so far. Line softly towards short. On to first, and Strasburg's in control here, 2 away.
And you know, he really doesn't have to throw that changeup all that much for it to be an effective pitch. And you can see what his breakdown is so far.
Chris Nelson will stand in. A strikeout victim his first time, and then a base hit last time around. Now the first pitch. Ball 1.
Come on, I'm watching the game.
2 out, nobody on. The 1-0. Fastball got him to swing through it. It's 1-1. Very difficult to get on top of a pitch when it's coming in that high.
Darn near impossible when it's coming at you in the high 90s. You just can't get your hands up there fast enough to stay on top.
Down low, 2 balls and a strike.
Come on, Blue. Oh, come on.
Here's the 2-1 pitch.
Sweet.
Out of play. Sets the 2-2 pitch. And a full count as that misses. It's 3-2 now.
Well, that pitch is so low and such an easy take that you basically waste that opportunity you had on 2-2.
Full count offering on its way. Now a ball slapped hard the opposite way. And he'll get there in plenty of time to put this one away, and that ends the inning. Phillies down in order. They're up 2-0. Wilson Ramos is going to come off the bench as he'll be asked to lead off the bottom of inning number 6. Hit well down the left field line, but back into the crowd, foul. Now here's the pitch. The 0-1 changeup is high, 1-1. 2-1.
And right now, these guys just need something to break their way. A blooper, a bunt, a hit by pitch. Something to get a base runner and give that guy something else to think about out there.
Full count, 3-2. No walks so far. Here's the 3-2. Here's a ball hit foul down the third base line, so they'll try it again. Payoff pitch coming. Boy, really making him work now as the 7th pitch of the at-bat is also fouled away, so the count will hold steady at 3 balls and 2 strikes. The next 3-2. And here's a ball hit in the air. And the move to the pinch hitter will not pan out as that's taken in for the first out.
You can't underestimate how important a start this is when your team's on a losing streak. He has been phenomenal. It's all thanks to him that they've got a good shot at ending this thing.
Ian Desmond is at the plate as he watches ball 1. Now here's a ball hit hard on the ground towards short. Throw to first will take care of him, and it's a good start to the inning for Billingsley. 2 away.
Well, this is one of those situations where his guys got him the lead early on, and he's been in complete control ever since. I mean, he's barely been threatened out there.
Matt Dendecker is in for the 3rd time now as he takes a called strike. It's 0-1. He continues to get ahead here. He's been in complete control.
I think you need to guard yourself from being overconfident, though. A bloop and a blast could still turn this game on its ear.
Not a bad pitch there with 2 strikes, but it misses 1-2. And this is hit well towards the hole. And there's a base hit as that gets through into left.
Just the 2nd hit they've got against him so far as we check on his numbers to this point. He's pretty much been in control all afternoon, so we'll see if he can keep that string of zeros going.
Ryan Zimmerman is in for the 3rd time here as he watches one that misses low. It's a ball and no strikes. And he will get there as he had to cover a lot of ground to make that play, and that ends the inning. 1 left for Washington. They're down 2-0. Back here at Nationals Park, it's on to the 7th inning now with the Phillies out in front, and it's a good time to check out our game summary through the first 6 innings so far. Craig Stammen will come on and make his 4th appearance in this campaign. And he turns this one around high and deep to center field. And he's going to have room to put this one away, and that's the first out.
He's just trying to get a fastball in there to start the inning. Ball winds up getting hit pretty well, but not well enough to do any damage. It's a 1-pitch out.
First offering on the way. Chad Billingsley comes on with 1 away as he looks at a ball. It's 1-0.
I don't think there's any intent with that. That might be just to let him know that he's out there.
The 1-0. 2-0 now.
Well, you know, sometimes it's that natural tendency to let up just a little bit when you're facing the opposing pitcher. You know he's not going to do much damage, but you got to get refocused here because you do not want to go 3-0 to him.
And he'll lay the fastball in here to get the count back to 2-1. Here's the 2-1 pitch. And he gets under this one and, in fact, breaks his bat as this one's popped up. And he'll find a way to dodge the shrapnel out there to make the play for out number 2.
Well, I'll tell you, that bat is just miserable. I mean, I think the bat finally just said, look, I've had enough.
Here's Ben Revere. This should end the inning as it's sent out to second. And indeed it will. He throws him out at first, and the side is retired. 3 up, 3 down for Philadelphia, but they hold a 2-0 lead. Bryce Harper will stand in, and he, like so many others, hitless in the ballgame so far. And a called strike down in the zone, 0-1. Yet again, another first pitch strike.
And it's a big reason of why he's having the success he is. You establish the count in your favor right away, and it just opens up the door to so many more options going forward.
Herrera is there, and he has it for the first out. Tyler Moore will dig in for the third time now. He struck out and bounced out in his first 2 trips. And this is going to be a foul ball in amongst the spectators. 1 out, nobody on. And this is fouled straight back. The 0-2 home from Billingsley. And they'll try and tempt him with one in the dirt, but he'll hold back here. It's 1-2.
And now, as a hitter, 1-2, you've got to be thinking right center field. They'll take a little swing out and try to drive something the other way.
And good patience to hold back on the curveball in the dirt. It's full now, 3-2. Struck him out, and he becomes the 9th strikeout victim thus far.
Not only has he rung up a lot of strikeouts, but he still hasn't walked a batter to this point. So his control has been really, really spot on so far.
Standing in now, Yunel Escobar. The fastball here as he'll take a look at ball 1, 1-0. And oh, look out as he has to hop out of the way of the fastball there.
Yeah, he came right back in there with the fastball. Even a little tighter that time. That's what you have to do against a guy like this.
2-1 pitch is swung on and hit in the air out to center field. And that will conclude matters here in the 7th. 3 up, 3 down for Washington. They trail it here 2-0. Herrera will get us going now in the top half of the 8th. Now some action out in the bullpen as a lefty and a right-hander begin throwing. Here's the first offering. Swing and a shot toward right center. But this will not elude the right fielder's grasp as he ranges over to handle it for the first out. Well, it's been a game of starting pitching so far as on cue we give you a look at our starter comparison for these 2 guys in our 2-0 ball game. Chase Utley will stand in now. 0 for 2 with a hit by pitch so far. First pitch is a slider down low. It's 1-0. Bases are empty, 1 man out. 1-0. Fastball misses badly there, and he's behind 2-0.
Yeah, and he didn't even have to think twice about that one. And now he's got a good hitter's count here, 2-0.
Utley waits. Here's the 2-0 pitch. Now a check swing, but it's strike 1 anyway, says the home plate umpire. A 2-1 offering. Swing and a hard hit ball down the line in right. And that's a fair ball as this will rattle up into the corner. He'll get it into second. And he's able to hustle his way up to second as he'll reach here with a 2-base hit.
Yeah, no hesitation there as we train our camera directly on him. Once this gets down the line, he's thinking 2 right out of the box, and he's able to beat the throw into second and leg out a double.
Now the first pitch. First pitch fastball swung on and missed 0-1.
Surprising to you guys that it looks like they're going to pitch to him?
It is to me. I mean, I wouldn't go anywhere near this guy with a base open.
And a big swing by Howard, but he didn't get it, and it's 0-2.
And on 0-2, I'd be shocked to see another fastball in the strike zone.
Pause, now the pitch. And this one's in the dirt, but fortunately here, no advance. Here comes the 1-2. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. Runner at second here with 1 man out. Here he comes again, 1-2. And a swing and a ball hit foul heading for the seats. So another foul ball here, and it remains 1-2. Another 1-2 delivery. Hangs on him a bit that time as it's belted out toward deep center field. And a scaling attempt to the wall, but it'll be in vain because this wall is gone. It's a 2-run shot here for Ryan Howard. His second home run of the game as the Phillies have opened things up now 4-0. Aaron Barrett will get the call here as he'll take over with 1 gone in the top of the 8th. Dominic Brown will stand in, and I've got to think these add-on runs here will really make it difficult to come back from.
And that's how they've done it all game long. They haven't really had a big inning yet, just a lot of ones and twos, but those will add up.
Throw gets him, 2 down. Carlos Ruiz will try again. 0 for 3 thus far. Yeah, we see a lefty and a right-hander start to loosen up in the bullpen. First pitch coming. Now a pitch swung on and hit to Desmond is short. Throw in the dirt, but a good scoop at first saves an error as this side is retired. But the fighting strike for a pair, both coming on this 2-run home run. On now to the bottom of inning number 8. It's now 4-0 Philadelphia. Michael Taylor is in now as he watches a pitch for ball 1. Well, that man right there is into his 8th inning of work now. Any concerns going forward?
Well, I think the only thing you have to worry about is that pitch count you see right there. Other than that, he's earned the right to stay out there. Usually the other team will tell you when you're starting to get tired.
And he struck him out. So double digits now. 10 strikeouts for him thus far. Jose Lobaton will step in. He's lined out and grounded out in 2 trips. Now here's the first pitch. Cut fastball in there for a called strike. Now here's the pitch. That's in there, and he's deep in the hole now, 0-2.
Huh. He's feeling it now. I mean, this is turning into a clinic out there.
Billingsley ready, another 0-2. Changed up on him here, and this is grounded to short. And a throw over to Howard, and that's the second out.
Can't ask for much more out of a starting pitcher. Working on a 2-hit shutout right now.
Clint Robinson will get the call here as he'll hit for the pitcher. A little tardy there. No balls and a strike.
Real good lateral movement on that 2-seam fastball. That pitch is money for him when it's moving like that. So just keep on throwing it.
There's a swing and a ball lifted to left, but back in the seats, out of play. It's 1-2. Fouled straight back. Again, a 1-2. Now another pitch is hit foul and headed for the seats, so the count will stay put at 1-2. He'll try again, 1-2. And yet another strikeout here. His 11th of the ball game, and this one ends the inning. Nationals gone in order. They're on the short end of a 4-0 score. Tanner Roark will come on now to start the 9th inning as he looks to keep this deficit right where it is for the bottom of the 9th. Chris Nelson is in to start things out as he swings and misses at that one. It's strike 1.
That first pitch change can be a tough one. A guy doesn't have any point of reference to work from, and he just can't help himself up there.
And now a pitch on the way. And a fastball swung on and hit to second. Throw on to first for the out, and that is how the 9th inning gets underway.
Up next for Philadelphia, shortstop, Andres Blanco.
Andres Blanco will try again. 0 for 3 thus far.